Greeting. Today's lesson is about a software danger you might have heard about, the worm virus. So what is this notorious enemy we're up against? A worm virus, unlike traditional viruses, doesn't need to attach itself to an existing program. Instead, it replicates itself and uses a network to send copies to other computers, clogging the works and causing mayhem. At its worst, a worm virus can eat up system resources, slow down, crash computer systems, or steal sensitive information. So, let's delve into how we can protect our devices from this digital pest. Firstly, always keep your software and operating system updated. These updates often include patches that guard against new threats. Secondly, use a trusted antivirus software that can scan for and get rid of any lurking worm viruses. Thirdly, be wary of suspicious emails or links. If something seems fishy, it's best not to click. Regularly backing up your files can also come in handy if a worm does make its way onto your system. Stay safe and protect your digital world.